Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. Working with Mother Earth is beyond. This is the kale from last year. We started kale this year, and there's lettuce over there. And these are tires that I used. And keep in mind, all last year, this was just a driveway. And what I did last year was plant peppers, real good crop. This year, we're going to start basil over there. All this, I guess, is like 50 by 3. It's 150 square feet, which means 150 plants. Right now, here's my strawberry patch. Look at this. Unbelievable. And on the other side of the driveway, which was a driveway, I planted carrots, kale, lettuce. That's from last year. We have Swiss chard. We have collards. We have kale over there, Swiss chard. This year, this is going to be a kale patch, and this is going to be a kale patch. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going to be tomatoes. Keep in mind, for 8 years, what I was doing, I was mowing the lawn. Now, how exciting that is? 0. And then I had this bright idea, inspired by a friend, to create a garden back here. So it's really not that big. I was saying 30 by 40. That's 1,200 square feet. But 1,200 square feet, you can get 1,500 to 2,000 plants. So what I did is I got cinder block. I use cinder block and wood. I like cinder block a lot better because you can put flowers in between. We're getting ready for the flowers. Over here, we got some kale going to be put up there. All along here, I wasn't successful. So all that here is going to be pots. I say this is maybe 50 by 2. That's maybe at least 100 pots. 100 pots of different plants. We also had my deck area. Last year I planted maybe actually about 1,000 seeds back here. It was okay, not great. I think we're going to change it around this year. My 2 housemates are helping me out a lot. My 2 housemates are boom. So yesterday planted Brussels sprouts. Boom, boom, boom. 3 beds. I said pick any bed. I got like 45 beds. This year is going to be my pickle patch. Cucumbers. Super excited about that. We have to get that ready. That's spinach from last year. I'm going to dig up. This here is my berry section. Whoa. That's pretty exciting, isn't it? I mean, everything is pretty exciting. Right here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 patches. I'm not sure what we're going to do here. Last year back here, it was a super collard plot. Super collards. But actually, there's 1 collard left. I don't know. This is my persimmon tree. I don't know if it's coming back or not. Keep in mind, every square foot I use, this is the pathway. This is the collards I planted a couple days ago. Oh my gosh, look at that. Think about this thing. You think when you're planting, oh my gosh, I made a mistake, it doesn't look right. And they know what to do, get out of its way. This I planted yesterday, boom, boom, boom. I think this is collards. Yesterday my housemate planted cabbage. That's 1, 2. I think her name is Diane. She knows what she's doing. Look at this. She did a beyond amazing job. 3, I mean, everything's straight. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Straight. Unbelievable. She mixed up the soil. Last year, 2 years ago, I mowed the lawn. Once a week, I mow the lawn. Do you know what it means? And believe it or not, behind the tool shed, guess what? That could be celery. That's pretty funny, isn't it? Behind the tool shed celery. You know what that means? Behind the tool shed celery. So it's 8 o'clock now. I have at least an hour's worth of work. Super excited as always. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what they plant here or not. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask them. Keep in mind, right over here was my blueberry patch. Let's see, no. Right there. And if you see it, it's coming back. Right there. See that? There are 3 of them, and it's coming back. So it died, and then it came back. Unbelievable. Boggle is number 1, I eat mostly fruit. Rock and roll type guy. I'll be 74 next month. I'm saying I'm 47. I'm just beginning. You know what that means? I am just beginning. I got my passions. I got my garden passion. I got my work passion. I got my exercise passion. So this what keeps me moving. So we're just getting ready. Boom, boom, boom. I think I said before, we gotta clear this out. I think we're gonna put pots and maybe, I'm not sure what's water around it. Anyway, it's time to go. Boom, boom, boom. Super excited. Rock and roll. Stop by, say hello. Stop by and say hello. Okay, bye.